Hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Muhammad Rizal. My hobby is fishing. I like fishing in the river. I like to go in the river. I like cat, nila fish.
Thank you.
This is this is hockey. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.